Hi guys, and welcome to my new Bitcoin and Ethereum update. First of all, thanks for watching and joining in. Let me remind you to watch my BYBIT tutorial, which I made yesterday. This is really, really important, and you get so deep informations about trading on BYBIT. This is yeah, maybe will one of the usefulest market BYBIT tutorials on complete YouTube. Doesn't matter. Let's go straight into Bitcoin. Let's start in the higher time frames. As you know, we are in our parabolic uptrend right here, and we are forming this rising broadening wedge. And if we check the weekly, we definitely have to close this weekly candle above, yeah, let's say 62k. Otherwise, if we close below 60 or 62k, we would open the next candle outside, and in that case below our rising trend support line. So this is definitely one of the importantest week what Bitcoin will have in this bull run. Let me also, no, it's a wrong chart. Let's talk about the BLX again. Maybe some of you know this chart. Here also we can see this weekly or monthly red curved all-time high line, which are connecting every all-time high. And right now it's kind of different than the years before or the bull runs before. In the first bull run, you can see we're hitting it once and get a strong rejection, right? And in the second bull run, we also hit it once and getting rejected. In 2017, it's also clear visible. We hit it once with one candle, one weekly candle, and getting rejected. And right now in our current bull run, we are hit it once, getting rejected, but found support on this 7 years rising support line, and we found support about on that line, and Bitcoin were able to test the red line again, and this is for sure a definitely different thing like in the bull runs before, right? So this is first of all, this is a bullish sign. And here also you can see if we're breaking with that weekly candle above that red line at approximately 61, 62, or maybe better 63k, this would give us a huge uptrend opportunity because we haven't any strong yearly resistance line above us. So in my opinion, if we break above here, maybe coming up, retested it, and going up, and maybe going to retest or going to test 250k or something in that area. Okay, this is a weekly view. Let's maybe talk about the short term on Bitcoin. Come on. I think I have to put it out. Also this one. As you know, we're maybe forming something like a rising wedge. If you watch it in this bigger time frame, but you also could make the case that we are maybe forming a smaller one, smaller ascending triangle, something in that case. But yeah, for me, it's more likely that we are forming this big one. And yeah, you also remember that many YouTubers or bloggers were talk about this potential inverse head and shoulders. And yeah, I would like to say it's invalidated because we're dumping again here, but yeah, this is just because I don't like inverse head and shoulders. I don't like to trade them because they have a really bad performance. Even if we break above the neckline, we can still get getting a fake out. I would like to see it in that case. We are forming also a great cup with a handle. A handle could be everything what is forming a continuation pattern. And in that case, we are forming a great handle as an horizontal triangle. And you see, this is a 4-hour. Right now, we're, yeah, get a small bounce on that. This is the support box here. And yeah, we're right now able to push back into this horizontal triangle. For me, in the 1 hour, it's definitely important to get that next in 10-minute 1 hour close definitely inside this horizontal triangle. A breakout of this horizontal triangle would be obviously also a breakout above our cup resistance neckline. A breakout to the upside would bring us, yeah, approximately at 61.5, and maybe we're going up to 61.5, coming back, retesting the cup and handle neckline, and going furthermore to our, yeah, next bigger target, what would be this cup and handle target at approximately 70k. So let's check, this is 70k. Let's check this rising wedge. And this could give us another bigger target if we pull it to the breakout point. This would be a target of approximately 75, and this would also match with my thoughts on the BLX chart that we are going to pump, maybe retesting after reaching 75k and then going furthermore. But definitely if we're breaking out, we definitely, or it would be better if we can confirm or retest this resistance line to turn it into support. And right now, all of you guys know that I love spider lines, and if I pull out the spider lines, you can see that we are getting nearly confluence in that spider line if we're taking this breakout target of the rising wedge. For me, overall, we are definitely looking bullish as long we can hold this green support box and also this trend line. Yeah, but I would definitely just trade the breakout out of this bigger rising wedge. If you like to be a bit more risky, you definitely can trade this horizontal triangle breakout, but I would trade it with many cautious. Let's talk about Ethereum. And if you guys remember, I was recording where is it, 150% Ethereum pump prediction. If you missed it, just go to my channel, scroll down and check it. Right now, we get a breakout out of this. Let's go to the 4 hour. Get a breakout out of this horizontal triangle, breaking here above 4 years. This red one, let's make it a bit thicker to make it more visible. This red line is a 4 years resistance line, and right now we're great bouncing on it. Right here, and yeah, nearly here. These lines are really flexible. You can just pull it a little bit up or down. So this, in my opinion, these are 3 touch points right here, and this is also kind of horizontal triangle. Depends on how it draws the lines. Right now we are also getting a dump on this green trend line. This is just a this is just a wick we could expect. And also here, for me, this is definitely needed that we close this current 1 hour and also the 4 hour inside that horizontal triangle. If we are able to break out to the upside, that would give us a target of approximately, let's say we are breaking here, 2.3K. And I think this is would be one of the first important steps to reach our price target of approximately 4K. Okay, guys, definitely thanks for watching. I hope you could get some important informations and set your trade alerts and get a great overview about what's happened on Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. I wrote our community channels down below, so if you make sure you join us there to don't miss any single notification about the trades or something else. If you want to trade on BYBIT, you can definitely use my link and get up to for a $200 to $700 bonus after your initial deposit. That would, if you signing up with my links, it would definitely support me by my work, and I would really appreciate if you do so. Also, if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications if I'm uploading a new video. You will definitely find my BYBIT tutorial in the overview on my YouTube channel. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we will see us within my next update. Bye bye.